This activity is going to show you how to build a note that changes based on the input using Computation Layer. So I'm going to open this activity and take a look. If you want to make a copy yourself, just choose Copy and Edit from the magic 3-dot menu. I'm going to edit my activity. And what we see here is a screen. I have a note and I have an input. And this note is designed, we're going to take a look. This note is designed to change the content that's displayed in the note based on the input. So right now it says, please enter your name. My name is Patty. When I submit that, now it says, welcome, Patty. So to create a note like this, I have a couple things that I need to do. One is the input, I need to name it. And the reason I need to name it is so that when I write in my note, when I add the computation layer for my note, I need to be able to pull the input from here and make it display. So you can tell in my note the gear is highlighted. That means I have some computation layer hiding back there. Nothing that I write here will display because the computation layer will overwrite it. So here is my note. First thing I did was define a variable, my name, and that is the content that gets entered in name input, my input box at the bottom. The content of my note, I have a when statement. When the name input has been submitted, I want my note to say, welcome, my name. And the content to be displayed is in quotes, my name, the variable that I defined here. I use the $sign and my curly brackets around that so that it will output and display the name that the user enters. So when it's been submitted, that's what gets displayed in my note. Otherwise, it displays this message, which was please enter your name. And there you have it. So with that CL, that's what makes my note change based on the input that is entered by the user. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Thanks so much.